You hustle for your business. That's why TurboTax Live experts are in your corner working for every dollar your business earned. You have two options. Hand off your taxes from start to finish by matching a dedicated business expert, or get unlimited help as you file taxes yourself. Getting started is simple with expert help. Enter your info and answer a few questions. Connect with a business tax expert on demand for step-by-step guidance. They're here to answer anything, anytime you need it, no extra fees. Your expert is backed by a team of tax analysts, keeping them up to date on every deduction and credit. Once you're done, an expert can review your return before submitting to make sure it's 100% accurate and your business gets every deduction guaranteed. After finishing up, you'll continue to get year-round expert support at no extra cost. Plus, we make it easy to file your personal taxes too. You know your small business. We know business taxes. TurboTax.